Hey everyone, and once again, welcome to WSQ Tech English channel. Myself, Umar Taskir. Guys, in this particular video of Facebook ad series, we are again going to talk about very interesting strategy. So, guys, if we want to dominate any niche in any location or in any locality or in any city, how can we actually do that thing? And what are the different points which we have to consider if we want to dominate any niche or if we want to dominate any audience set within any within a location, right? So we'll be taking some examples, we'll be discussing some scenarios, and we'll conclude that how can we actually do this thing. But before actually starting this video, I would like to request you to please do subscribe this channel and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you do not miss any one of the upcoming video, right? So let's take an example. If we want to dominate or if we want to show our ads to the people who have interest in digital marketing, let me mention all these things over here. Interest in digital marketing in Delhi. So this is what we want, right? We want to show our ads to all the people who have interest in digital marketing in Delhi, right? So suppose we have created this audience, right? We have created this saved audience, which will basically include members who have interest in digital marketing and if they are from Delhi, right? Now, if the number of this saved audience is 100, we are only assuming this thing, right? This is simply an assumption, right? So if we are assuming that there are 100 people in this particular saved audience, which says that this audience is of people who are interested in digital marketing and those are from Delhi, right? So based on the different activities that these people are actually doing, Google receives some signals, and based on those parameters, Google divides these audiences into different categories. Like if Google finds out that okay, there are like 33 people or there are like 33 members who are basically good engagers, right? Good engagers, and there is a high chance that these people will interact with any post, right? Any post or any ad that they will see, right? They will try to put comments over there, they will try to share that post and everything. So these people are good engagers. Now out of this 100, Facebook recognized that okay, there are another 33 people who are basically converters, right? Their attribute shows that they are convert and they might convert, right? Whatever your conversion is, they might convert. And then there are other people also, like 33% people are also there who will basically click, and these people will click on your ad, right? They will click on your ad and they will go to your website, right? So if we divide them, right, it is like 33% of the people are engagers, right? And rest 33% of the people are converters, right? And then 33% of the people are more likely to visit our website, like they will be acting as traffic, right? So this is basically the category. This is basically the category of 100 people who are there into our saved audience thing. Now coming onto the other side where we have this Facebook ad system. Now our Facebook ad system has different objectives, right? We have different objectives over here. We can run traffic ad or we can run conversion ad, right? We can also run engagement ads. Now suppose if we are running traffic ad and we kept a daily budget of rupees 5,000, right? We kept a daily budget of rupees 5,000 and we are running a traffic campaign, or we are about to run a traffic campaign. In this particular scenario, when we will target this particular audience, our ad will not be shown to these people. Why? Because according to Facebook, the 33% of the people are basically engagers, and you want traffic, right? So there is high probability that our ad will be shown to these people, right? And because of our budget, which is like rupees 5,000, our ad will be shown to only 2% or 3% people over here, right? So if we want to scale and if we want to show our ads to more people, right, more people of this category traffic, what we have to do is we have to increase the budget over here, right? We have to keep increasing the budget over here. This will basically increase the percentage of users that will see our ad, right? So it will go to 5%, then it will go to 10%, or whatever it is, 10% of 33%, right? So if we have x numbers over here, it will be like 10% of x. This is how it is going to work, right? So another important thing, when we started, we were talking about dominating the niche, right? We wanted to dominate the niche and we wanted to show our ads to all these people over here, the 100 people. But according to the interactions of these 100 people, Facebook knows that, okay, there are different categories in which we can actually divide this audience set. Now the division is like this, right? So if we are going with the traffic objective, ad objective will be only showing our ads to this particular audience. If we are going with the conversion ad objective, we'll be showing our ads to this particular thing only. If we are going with the engagement ad objective, if we are going ahead with Facebook ad system and telling Facebook that, okay, we want to have more and more engagement on our ads, then we'll be catering only this particular audience. Now the point comes when I said I want to dominate the niche, which means that I want to show my ads to all these people, right? Which means that I want to show my ads to all these people irrespective of the signals that they are giving Facebook, that what kind of audience they are, right? So for this, what we have to do is we have to create multiple campaigns. Now this is a strategy. We have to create multiple campaigns. A single campaign with a very high budget cannot cater all the audience, right? Why it cannot cater? Because whenever you are creating a campaign, it has some objectives and it will only serve people who are actually related to that objective, right? And in this particular case, if we talk about traffic ad objective, we will be only showing our ads to these people, right? So what we have to do is to dominate a niche, we have to create multiple campaigns. We have to create multiple campaigns with multiple ad objectives so that we can cater different peoples of different subcategories or whatever signals they are sending to Facebook, right? No matter in what way Facebook actually categorized that audience, we want to cater that complete audience, right? That complete audience of 100 users over here. So for this, we also need high budget, right? That is one thing. But we also have to test different campaigns with different ad objectives. Then only we'll be able to cater more people, right? And then what percentage of people you will be able to cater actually depends on the budget that you are going to keep over here, right? So I believe now you got to know about the strategies that can help you in basically dominating a niche in any city or in any locality. That's it for this specific video. See you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.